y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J-So-tastic. So what? I don't know, but we do it all over here. Today I am cutting out one of the patterns that, well, I cut out one of them already, y'all. So sorry I didn't share it, but this is why I'm sharing this one with y'all. So if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you decided to press on that button and come and check out what I got going on. Okay, so I must have had a good thumbnail because it made you come on here and click on the button. So kudos to J-So-tastic. But anyway, with that said, I'm glad that you guys are here today, whether you're new or returning. My new peoples, y'all be doing it. My returning people, y'all gotta catch up. Y'all gotta catch up. My analytics say that, y'all ain't returning enough. So y'all need to return some more, okay? But anyway, once you become new, just keep on returning and hit the like button, y'all. But anyway, we gonna get into this video because I do have the other dress pattern laying on my table right now. But I'm gonna share with you guys first. I did order my transparent paper from Amazon, and I will put a link in the description. And it is 50 M with 40 centimeters and grammage, whatever that is, 50 grams M2. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but this is how big it is. Okay, so I ordered this because I had mentioned in the last video about you know what, y'all, hold on one second. I don't have my mic on. Well, I don't know where the mic is. I don't know, y'all, but I'm just going to talk a little louder and share with you, okay? So, and I also ordered from Amazon some double needles. And I'll put a little description about what you use them for. But here they are here. So you can see they're like double needles, and you just put them in your sewing machine. And I think it's to kind of like make a hem or something without the threads or something showing. I don't know. But I also ordered a McCall pattern, okay? And I plan on doing something special with this pattern. And I will put, I'm still under the weather, but I have been to Toledo, Ohio, had a great weekend. I might put some snippets of us, at the event or whatever, or of other people, because I didn't get to, since I was filming, I didn't, get to take pictures of myself. But anyway, I'm learning as I go. But here I am sharing with you guys the fabric that I may be using for this dress here. And I know it is not winter fabric and it's stretch. So, I don't care. I'm just going to, this is what I want to make, and that's what I'm going to make. And yeah, that's what we do. So while we are cutting out this pattern, I am just probably going to do a little bit of a voiceover if I need to, and then go from there since I don't have my mic. But let's get to cutting, y'all. I just wanted to share with y'all a couple of things I got from Amazon. And yeah, so let's get to doing what we do. All right, so let me bring y'all down to the table here. Turn y'all around. And we're going to get to cutting. Woo-hoo-hoo! I just dropped y'all on y'all face. Woo-hoo. Man. All right. Okay. So, we got like about 4 sheets to cut out. And I'm going to speed some of this up, slow some of it down, and maybe do a voiceover. But I wanted to share with you guys what I am working on, and a couple of other things I'll probably share after I get finished cutting this out. So I'm going to play some really, really nice music if I find some, and then we're just going to go. So let's hit it, y'all. Y'all said y'all wanted to see it, so here it is. Okay, so I also wanted to share with you guys this liquid type fabric that I have. And I think I might make 2 of these dresses. One in that fabric that's over there. Over there. Ooh. Yeah, right there. And maybe in this as well. I think I can rock it. I don't want to mess this up because my kids bought this fabric for my birthday. And it was expensive. Almost $20 a yard. And that was on sale. But it is stretched both ways. And I think that if I could get the fit. Let me bring y'all to my hoodie. If I can get the fit just right on the first one. And, you know, critique anything that I need to make changes on, then I can do that when I get to this second piece here. But I think this liquid black and this right here, this pattern, put a picture up here so y'all can see what I'm talking about, would look divine on me. If I think I want to change my mind, then I won't do any cutting with this fabric here. Because I do need it to fit me nicely. I don't want it to be, I want it to hug, but I want it to be, well, y'all know, I want it to be appropriate for my body shape. And I want it, because I ain't going to be out there trying to look a hot mess. That is not my plan, to be looking a hot mess. So I see folks and stuff, and I'll be like, they shouldn't have that on. But that's just my own opinion. So I was trying to make this in black, just in case I go to some event. But I know I do have an event coming up on December 3rd, a work event that I would like to wear something to. And I don't really think I need to dress up, but we are receiving an award, so I want to look nice. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to wear, because I don't feel like I have anything. I mean, I got a closet full of clothes, y'all, but I'm going to look through them. And if I don't see what works, I really got to get on and make something. And just so y'all know, I have not forgot about this dress. But I am going in a different direction with it. So, I'm not sure what that is yet. So that's why you haven't seen it completed as of yet. I still love what I have going on here. Okay, but I think I want to do something really unique with this. I don't think I need to add any more jean fabric to it. I don't know, you guys, but it's gonna come to my head because I do have some other ideas that I want to work with, because as coming from the Toledo event, they had vendors there, and vendors had some upcycle clothing there, and it gave me some inspiration for some upcycled ideas, and I'm going to share those with you guys once I kind of like get them, in order and planned out and everything. But y'all, I saw some leather tops, some leather skirts, and some shirt. I already have like hold on 1 minute. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you guys. I was talking, but I wasn't recording. So anyway, I don't know what was in there, but I'm recording now. So yeah, I was talking about at the event. I had went to the event and I saw some of my me-made items at the event, like my skirt. I don't know if y'all remember this skirt I made. I don't know if I haven't worn it anywhere yet, but it was, something that they were doing at the event. The vendors were, there were a couple of upcycle vendors there. So, with that said, they had some items up there that gave me inspiration to make my creations and to continue to do my upcycles, because they had some bad stuff, y'all, and I just couldn't afford it. But I kind of like know what I need to price if I'm doing something for somebody, or if I'm just selling it, or if I decide to start a little boutique or whatever. I have an idea of what I need to do, and I don't know if I'm going to put it back in there again in case I wasn't recording it. I plan to go in a different direction with this dress. I don't know exactly what it may be yet, but I am going to go in a different direction with it. I think I'm going to keep this part. Y'all, but I don't know what I want to do with the bottom or the back. I don't know yet. I'm unsure. But when I do decide, so don't think that I forgot about this dress, but when I do decide, I will make sure that I bring you guys in on it, okay? Because that's my whole thing, is to make sure that I am creating things that I love, that I'm bringing you guys in on it, and that I'm bringing you guys content that you want to see, or that you may be attempting to do as far as sewing and as far as maybe upcycling. So with that said, I'm not going to hold you guys long. I just want to say that, yeah, I am feeling inspired after coming from the Toledo event with the vendors and seeing their me-made items, because I have an event, like I said before, coming up in December, and I want to wear a me-made outfit, okay? So I don't know what it's going to be, but I got to get to working on something, okay? And then I got to get done all this other stuff that is on my rack here. Yeah. Let me see if I can share that rack with y'all. That rack over there. See that rack over there, y'all? That's all unfinished things that I got going on that I need to finish. But anyway, yeah, we ain't going to talk about that. So your girl is feeling so, but she's in good spirits. Okay. So I'm not completely back, where I want to be feeling and everything. And I don't know where my mic is. So I got to go find my mic and stuff, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go because this video, yeah, I'm going to speed it up so it ain't so long. But I shared with you guys what my plan is, what I'm going to be doing. And I will come back when I start those processes on those items. But until then, I might show up in the middle of the week. Y'all know how I do. If not, I'll see y'all back again on Monday. So take care, stay blessed, stay positive, keep God first, and keep on watching, keep on thumbsing up the video, keep sharing, keep subscribing if you like the content. If you don't like it, then I know why you ain't subscribed, but I don't know why you ain't subscribed. I don't know. What you waiting on? Anyway, y'all, talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.